We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now we're thrilled to share this one with you. This is one of our favourites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated and we love sharing it with others. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone new and old and treat them equally with great service. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.